Mesre Parliament, among chief finance minister naso. Mesre Parliament, among chief finance minister naso.
Yeah, the
impunity is too much.
No, I said the one call.
Messi Mesre so among chinaso. Now buying so for the president, the president knew the consequence of what you know.
Almost say
let the president know that
from the finance
besides and beyond Ken Ofori-Atta, we have potential finance ministers or make me handle Ghana. Please. No, come na shebe jom so no e shem ram na shebe jafo so mu okay no nko eh na na do so oye bi pa o eh obi mu da mo kan jom ni oye bi papa why with impunity the finance minister what bu anim ama parliament so kono so problem rather you go and do cathedral business
now am reason to your parliament no
any reason what take cathedral business not TGT no. Go to parliament and go and respond to the issues and stop the cathedral business. What's your business?
We important you almost and I'm so
what is this?
Sadia will swap baby who
no for some of these things. Who know who is sick as
COVID-19 funding.
Why is that man doing that? Why? Is there any people in Africa? Why? And the president goes ahead to say that fantastic finance minister, hey, Mr. President, hey, we are mobo kakra. Adeng. No, be too much. That's why you are sitting there. Now here who come see come sir. Or contra GTV, cathedral. It's not about the white things that we keep going.
Yeah, fair to him.
Oh, please.
Cathedral no can that's a parliament invite.
Obi, I did okay. They say I'm in Pentecost. Bibia, no person be no Bibia. No, me tell sir. The agency of matters are there to parliament. Yes,
COVID-19
for the speaker. Yeah. To speak on this matter.
Yes, and say, ma, young it's
what is this?
It's avoidable, hugely
Mr.
avoidable.
White, enough. Change the colors and go and sit in parliament.
Na me podi because when him say through COVID-19
quotations is our anti-Christian problems about. We will continue to quote and quote and quote.